right? 17 and a quarter should be the middle. And then that ID, 1575 or so, is the 60% pullback, which would get the half gap, 15 and a half. So this is a nice shake, this first shake. So they've got the aggressive shorts, and now they've got anybody that's holding on to their profits getting squeezed back right now. And look at the weekly with that first target, 23.6. So that was the right resistance zone. It's a great trade. Put something in your pocket. Coming into the 16. And it'd be nice to, I don't know what we can get beyond this 16 or not, because this 17 is a double bottom test right in here. But it does show us the big boys in the trade. Shake out these guys. Keep it on the 5-minute chart. And that trade is more risk reward than anything. So I said you have to get paid on new highs. So range type day, I'm still saying be very careful about thinking too much short side. They seem to keep trapping shorts with these rotations of a higher high and then a pullback. I still say that, you know, we need some sideways trading before we just get a plunge. I'm going to stick to that idea. Our TH open 17 and a quarter. Keep that in mind. Globex chart, nice pullback. The 3-minute chart. I'm going to put the 5 back on. Here's our 5. Here's our 30. We said 30's been working. And really, you can't overstay trades, especially to the long side after this whole long push. So I'm thinking today is just one of those nasty days that's going to go back and forth a little bit, and you know, more range type trade. Big key in my mind is this 17 zone. Gotta break this zone. If you can't break this, then we're still gonna be bouncing and perhaps choppy. But I do like this fast pullback today. You know, we said that 22 zone is probably going to be key again, just like yesterday. So they stretched the range just a hair from yesterday, and then you still pull back. So I think the fighting zone, let me see, the magnet I've got. We'd had a completion target at 22 and a quarter to 22.75, so that's done. So we need to recalibrate everything really. And in my opinion, if you get into this 17, that's probably a first trade. You know, I mean, we have not had this type of a rotation lately. So you have to respect it. You have to make sure you get paid coming into that 17. And I said early today, I'm thinking hit and run and small, and if this environment does not suit you, don't play. Don't damage your account in one of these stupid environments where they're just playing games. And you can see it. Here's where you can really see it. This move right here. Bang. Right here. Where you know, somebody says, okay, we're coming this way, and then the juice keeps coming and squeezes to that target. Now you still have to break this, because this is where traders were trapped. So currently, what I like what I see for the short side, but I'm not going to jump up and down and get excited. And I would love, like the rest of you guys, I'd love to see us come back here and test the angel. So that's the plum. Let's call that the plum to get back and test the angel. So the gap obviously is 13.5. So this 17, 18 is going to be a fighting zone now, no doubt. Just the trade dynamics. Just like we said before.